Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Ank. How are
Good
you?
afternoon. Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Okay. So we all know you well now, but if your interviewers ask you that define Mayank in one line, how will you do it?
Okay, sir. If I have to define my name, it stands to glowing something, sir. It stands to moon in one.
One line description of Mayank.
So, yes, sir. By name of Mayank. It's mainly glow something in a dark. Glow something in a dark, like moon, just like a moon.
Okay. Uh, what about your personality? Describe your personality in one line.
Yes, sir. If I talk about, I'm a self-reliant person, and as well as having quality of management myself, as well as improving myself.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mayank, tell us something about your goals. What do you want to do in life?
Yes, sir. First of all, my main goal is to excel and try my best, whatever I have to do. And according to this opportunity, as per this opportunity, by work, I am passionate to learn something new. Always something new. I am always curious to learn something new. The things. So, as per the this opportunity, I want to work with that organization. Along with, I can creating and some growing and better advancement opportunities for this organization.
And what about long term goals?
Sir, I think it's one of the my main long-term goal also, because the first step of my education to go with the technical field and try to learn, because the electrical engineering is my first choice. As per from my school education, I'm always curious to know that how it is happen and what kind of methodologies they are used to sending us with on this way without any interruption. So work with this field, stick with this field. It's my one of the long term goals.
Okay. Okay, Mayank. If you have to work in team,
Yes,
right?
sir.
How comfortable you are?
Sir, if I have to work with Dean,
Yeah.
okay, sir. If I have to work with Dean, so I try to managing as well as analyze, not in a traditional way, other than to it to try to because many times it will happen that the integrity and in any organization is having a loophole, because many of the engineers and many of the employees, we can say, having not such leadership qualities and as well as work with the team. So I want to improve these things firstly, so we can analyze the things better and we create the things in better way.
Say you are not the team leader, you are just a member of the team, right?
Okay, sir.
And you don't agree the way the team leader is handling things. What will you do?
Sorry, sir, can you repeat?
You are a team member
Okay, sir.
and your team leader, the way he is handling things, you don't agree with this method. What will you do?
Sir, if I don't agree with this method, so I can convenience to him and her to try, if I am right on this place, so I am try to tackle the things to tell them that it's a not a right way, not a efficient way to try something, to handle something. And then I want to try that convenience him and her firstly. Yes, sir.
He doesn't get convinced. He says, "Yeah, I am the team leader. You are not the team leader. Do what I am telling you to do."
If the replies from side is like, so I I want to give drop the situation at this end, and I think I just see that what they have, and what in such way how they tackle the things. If it is create some efficient way, so definitely I'm nothing say on this position. But if they failed at that time, so they all recognize their mistake, that Mayank at the time, Mayank is right, and I am right at the time. So yes, I try to do by this way.
Okay, okay, Mayank. One last question.
Yes, sir.
What is your backup plan?
Sir, if I talk about my backup plan, so as per I already say, stick with this technical core field. If I'm continuously work with such new technologies, such on projects to improve ourselves, as well as work on my core field. Yes, sir.
Okay, Mayank. All the best. I request
Thank you,
Shailaja
sir.
ma'am to continue.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, Mayank, tell me, what is a auto transformer first?
Yes, ma'am. Auto transformer is also a type of transformer. Then are using for vary the voltage up to its secondary side. And normally, ma'am, it's we can say in a short way, it is a varier for vary the voltage generally.
कैसे वैरी करते हैं इसको? मतलब
Ma'am,
how is vary?
yes, ma'am.
कैसे वैरी करता है ये?
Yes, ma'am. It's having a different level of its voltage by changing in according to our appliances, and according to voltage required our appliances, that we have to change, that we have to do the change.
Okay. What are the applications of auto transformer?
Ma'am, as per I already tell that first of all, reduce the voltage as well as vary voltage up to low level, as well as low cost. We use a high appliances to regulate voltage according to application. So it's one of the main advantage. As well as per from the maintenance side is the need to low maintenance. If it is properly insulated from the manufacturer side, so we don't need to any other cooling purpose for this. So
Okay.
it's other main advantages of auto transformer.
Okay. What is eddy current losses?
Yes, ma'am. Eddy current losses is about, we can say it is a variable type of losses which are due to the current flow in our core. We can say because of this flux linkage, the reason of, and the method of flux linkage, the current is starting to flow up to its side. So it's, we can say it tends to a loss that's are directly says to a variable losses, because whenever the load demand having high or low, so it saturates the current at this time. So that's the reason it's having a effective and variable type of losses. That's the
Okay.
current loss. Good afternoon, sir.
Tell me something about power generation by windmills.
Yes, sir. From construction end or working end?
It's power generation mechanism.
Okay, sir, sure. As per the wind are most renewable source, we can say we use for electrical generation. So first of all, as per the mechanism, we have such methodologies like hub, low shaft speed as per the brake, and up to its we use, because as we know the wind air having no such rotation, and no having self rotation speed to move this thing from by penetration from 1:9. It generates from one air rotation of air from 1:9 ratio, and from there we use braking system for operate, and from which we generate such air to high moment for generator, and there and for generate electricity up to our supply.
Okay, because wind velocity varies. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
Exactly.
the fan rotation speed also varies.
Exactly, sir.
So what will be the characteristics of power generated with that?
Sir, for this thing, we can use a asynchronous generator mainly for this thing because that's the main advantage. Advantage we can say it's a drawback of thing, but it's from the end of renewable source. So we don't the think that it is a disadvantage. So that's why we use asynchronous generator in this situation to regulate as per the wind speed is regulate, so it can manage by the asynchronous generator in this speed.
So
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. How are you?
Yes, sir, I'm fine, sir.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, Mayank.
Yes, sir.
Uh, do you know what basically the meaning of consultancies?
Sir, meaning of consultancy.
Yes. We
Uh,
normally heard the word consultancies, projects, and these kind of stuffs. What basically it is?
no, sir, I know I'm not so aware with this term.
Do you have an idea that Pinnacle has any kind of relation with the consultancy kind of word or the terminologies?
No, sir. As per I the research and I find something about this company and all about
What
the
is the
company.
meaning of हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं consultancy को?
सर कंसल्टेंसी आई थिंक इट स्टैंड्स टू दी कुछ संचालित करना लाइक कुछ प्रबंधन संचालित समथिंग.
प्रबंधन तो मैनेजमेंट हुआ.
हाँ सर प्रबंधन मैनेजमेंट हुआ आई थिंक सर. आई
तो
डोंट नो
फिर क्या
सर.
हुआ कंसल्टेंसी क्या हुआ?
सर नो डोंट नो सर हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ कंसल्टेंसी.
Apart from electrical engineering, what is your interest areas?
Sir, the one of the designing field as per this organization, I am keen to interested in this and other.
No, apart from the educational interest, what anything else you like?
Yes, sir. I have a about if I talk about my extracurricular activities. So I am a rap singer, and other than it, I am a carom player.
Okay, why you are not making rapping as your career?
Sir, I think it's my hobby. It's not my profession.
Okay, hobbies cannot be made as a profession.
No, no, sir. It's definitely can. But firstly, is per my second state and as per my target, I want to be a part. I want to being a part of a organization first. And yes,
And
sir.
normally, it has been told by many experts that if you choose your hobby as a career, then you can be more successful rather than doing for any other thing which is not your very much interest areas. Is it correct?
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Normally, it has been said by the experts that when you choose your career, whatever hobbies you have, then you
Yes.
may be more successful rather than going for anything which is not giving you much interest.
Sir, if I talk about successful, so it's having no any particular era. If I do well, if I do better with the organization, so definitely I can get better opportunities to grow ourselves, to grow myself up to this level, as per as per I do with my interest field of my interest. So it's one of the also it's one of the field of my interest also.
What is the meaning of success in your terminologies, in your uh, feeling, what you think about success?
I think it's just a common combination of efforts, hard work, and put your best. It's a common combination of all these things. It is a success. It's a mean of success.
Money matters
Uh,
in
yes,
the part
sir.
of success, or money does not matter at all.
Sir, we can say because it's in our 21st century, it's an essential requirement for tackle, for handle our family, for handle ourselves, for handle our upcoming requirements from in this. But if I talk as per the end of success, it doesn't matter because success it's a common combination of efforts and hard work. we cannot mention in the money in this thing.
So without getting money, can we really become successful?
Yes, sir. Definitely we can.
How?
Uh,
Give me some examples.
if I talk about, sir, because we know many of the personalities, if I talk, they're having no millionaire, but they are successful.
For example,
We can say APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, sir.
APJ Abdul Kalam was not having money.
Sir, they have, definitely they have, but they are not millionaire. They are successful. We can say they are
Okay,
not.
if
No,
somebody is millionaire in your count, he'll be the successful one.
no, sir. That's are not meant by this. But the sir, both these things having their importance, their individual importance. But on these things, efforts and hard work and the success, I think it's giving more opportunity to increase ourselves.
Okay. What is the difference between hard work and smart work? Normally, this also we get the word in our common uh, phenomena
Sir,
what we normally use.
if I talk about the difference, so no doubt hard work and smart work, both the things are based on this one. But hard work is it's no doubt it's makes boring a while, because to do tackle the things, because hard work in one line is like do more and get more. But if I talk about smart work, like less more but keep more in efficient way to do more. So both the things are.
For example, somebody has to run for marathon for more than 5 kilometers, and in that case, if which options he'll choose to get the better results, whether the hard work or the smart work.
Sir, in this case, we can say the past phase century, because combination of hard work and smart work you the one.
For example, how you can identify that somebody has done hard work or somebody has not done hard work and he has opted for smart work.
Yes, sir. We can take example like if anyone keep the 10 hours study per day, but if the way are not efficient, so the its output are equal, like five hours study per day of any person of any student. So the both of the output having same, but input are comparable, because they're having not efficient manner, they're having not such strategies, planning, management skills. So they definitely they face hard work, but they're having management skills, management strategies, planning. So they tends to input from smart work.
Okay. Okay, Mayank, you did well, and your performance is also improving. But
Sure,
one
sir.
more thing which I normally tell to the student that please make some distance in the camera and the posture what you have. That today
Yes,
also I'm
sir.
feeling that issue with you, that you know you are not having the distance among your camera and in between the camera and your face, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
you have to make it horizontally, that I have already told in earlier interviews, right?
Sure,
So
sure, sir.
your picture quality can be better. Otherwise, you are confident. That is good point of yours. I have seen your GD also, right?
Yes, sir.
In the process when Pinnacle was taking the GD, so
Yes,
you
sir.
perform well.
Thank you,
Otherwise,
sir.
be in a good connectivity and get some more knowledge about general awarenesses, which normally it can be asked at any point of time or in any ways by the company,
Yes, sure.
राइट. अदरवाइज टेक्निकली तो आपको इम्प्रूव जो जो करना है वो करना ही है ना. बाकी आपने काफी कुछ तो अच्छा दिया ही है, रेस्पॉन्स, है ना.
Thank you, sir.